Welcome to PHONELens, where tech gets personal. Hold up, before you scroll past another phone review that sounds like a lecture from a robot, let's try something different. You ever bought a new phone that promised next level battery life and still died before your lunch break? Yeah, we've all been there. Here at PHONELens, we compare phones the human way. No jargon, no nonsense, just real talk about what actually works and what just looks shiny on paper. From Samsung to iPhone, Infinix to Tecno, even Itel, we test them all. We laugh at their fails, hype their wins, and show you what's worth your hard-earned cash. Every video, you'll get comparisons, reviews, tips, and a little bit of chaos. Because tech doesn't have to be boring. This is PHONELens, where your next phone choice gets crystal clear. Alright, let's talk about your new phone. You've seen the intro, you know what we're about. Now, let's dive straight into it. Every week here on PHONELens, we will take 2 or more gadgets, strip away the marketing noise, and test them in ways the manufacturers never want you to see. Because on paper, every phone claims to be a legend, but in real life, some of them fold faster than your network signal during a rainstorm. Isn't that true? Today, we are starting with something simple: how your phone actually performs when you stop posing and start using it. Battery, camera, speed, display, and those tiny annoyances no one talks about. If it's slow, we'll say it. If it's a beast, we'll celebrate it. And if it's overpriced, well, you'll definitely hear it. Our mission is simple: make tech real again. We test, compare, and break things down so your next purchase isn't just hype, it's smart. This is PHONELens, the lens that sees beyond the specs. Subscribe and let's begin the journey. Subscribe now.